She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing these 90s/2000s inspired braids using crochet hair. Super easy, DIY friendly. So let's get into the details. The hair that I'm using is from YWigs. I'm using 4 packs total of their Yaki straight human crochet hair, and these are 16 inches long. Each pack is 16 inches. And the hair is soft, and I love that it's human hair and that it's crochet. For the girls that love crochet, you'll be able to wear your style much longer, for a longer period of time, than if you were to use synthetic crochet hair. The hair comes on a string. You guys have seen me use this crochet hair on a string before. This one is a shorter string, so it's specifically made for crochet. I know you can use it for other things, but make sure if you're doing this style, you want to get it on a shorter string, so that way the string doesn't show in the style. If you were to use the longer one, it would be more for like boho braids. So starting out, I am sectioning the front of my hair, and I'm just sectioning out a little bit more than half of the front section. I did go back and clean up those parts. I know it's looking raggedy right now. But yeah, this is the front section. And then I am braiding down the back for the crochet part. I did use a very small amount of synthetic braiding hair. So this is different from the hair that I showed you in the beginning. This is just regular synthetic braiding hair. And the only reason I'm adding this is just to give my hair a little bit of extra length in the braid pattern part, so that way I can connect my braids because my hair is kind of short. That's the only reason. So you may not need to add any synthetic hair at all. This is 1 pack in. So this is how much hair it's looking like with just using 1 pack of the hair. The install, again, super easy. If you know how to do crochet styles already, then this will be perfect for you. You're just going to install the hair the same way you would on a regular crochet, like you would on a regular crochet style. So taking the hook, putting it through the bottom of the braid, and I'm latching on that thread in the hook and pulling it all the way through. And then I am just going to loop that side through and pull, and it's just going to hang off of the thread section. This is about 3 packs in, 3 full packs. I might have used a little bit of the 4th pack, but this is 3 full packs in, a little bit of the 4th pack, and this is what it's looking like. I know there's that braid section right there that's kind of like showing, but I was able to get it hidden pretty well, so it's okay. So now we're going into the front part, and this is where you can just, be creative. You can do a straight back if you want, or you can throw in some designs, but I'm just braiding that back part, or the front part going back. The hair that I'm adding is the human hair, so this is not the synthetic hair, because I do want it to blend with the rest of the hair. Also, since I'm going to be adding a little bit of heat, I don't want to use synthetic hair on this section, so it doesn't burn. So I am passing my natural hair, and then I am just creating a knot, because I don't need to braid it all the way to the bottom. So you'll kind of have to work it out on how long your hair is. Okay, so this is like, once I'm done, you gotta trust the process, because I haven't straightened it, I haven't styled it, nothing. But this is what it's looking like. I got it covered up in that back pretty well. I did go back in and add more of the crochet hair again, just to cover it up and make it look full, so it's not showing spaces and it's not showing any braids. This is where we're at before cutting it. And I even added some of the crochet pieces on the actual braid, the cornrow braids, where it tailed off. So that was just, again, to make it a little bit more full, kind of fill in those spaces that I had in the back. So now we're cutting it, and I'm just seeing, how long I want it to be. I'm putting a little bit of a bump on the bottom there. So I'm just figuring out where I want to cut it at. I probably honestly could have went a little bit shorter. I did start long because I was scared to cut it too short, But what you guys end up seeing, I think I'm going to go back in and trim it a little bit more shorter. Definitely has some space to go up some more. I liked the length that I did, and it was kind of like safe, but I could have went a little bit shorter. So yeah, so now I'm just cutting it. Not the best when it comes to cutting, okay? Like, especially my own hair. Jeez, I was struggling. But I at least got like it to match like both sides. So I just did this one side, and then I'm going to do the other side as well and get that cut. Again, I am not your professional when it comes to cutting, especially when I have to do it myself. That in itself is a challenge. I don't know why, but it is, okay? Okay, so I'm just matching it up. You can do, you know, asymmetrical bob. You can do it all even. Just kind of play with it how you want it to be. You can tell I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going back and forth, and I'm scared at this point. I'm just like, I don't want to cut it too short. But I think we did pretty good. We did okay. We did decent. Now, the problem is just matching the front with the back. And I did cut it myself. However, it wasn't looking the best. I will admit, it wasn't looking the best. I wasn't too worried though, because again, I knew I was gonna bump it. So I asked my son to help me. I trust you. I just need it straight.
I'll trust myself.
That'll do it. That'll do it. So I took them scissors straight out of his hands, and we just left it how it was. Okay, I'll go back in and I'll fix it later. But this is the final result. Put some heat in it, straightened it, curled the ends inward a little bit. And yeah, this is the final result. I was happy with it. I was satisfied. Your girl is looking 90s fine, okay? We love a 90s look. Like, what? I love that the older styles are coming back and trending, so I was really excited to do this. Let me know what you guys think. All of the hair details will be down in the description if you would like to go try it yourself. Again, the hair is from YWigs. Thank you kindly to them for sending me this hair and allowing me to try this, because I have been wanting to do this style for a minute now. So shout out to them. But yeah, only thing I would say, like, it's cute. That forehead though. But we already know pretty girls got big foreheads. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, if it was helpful, whatever it was, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys on my next one. I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, and stay filled with love and peace.